ဆရာတော်ဖျားမြတ်နဲ့တကွာဆရာကြီးဆရာလေးများယဟန်တာမဏေများအားလုံးမင်္ဂလာပါဗျာတပည့်တော်ရဲ့ဒုတိယတန်းပထမဦးဆုံး elementary 1သင်ခန်းစာကိုစတင်တော့မှာဖြစ်ပါတယ်ဗျာတပည့်တော်ရဲ့ပထမဦးဆုံး topic က alphabet dictionary ဖြစ်ပါတယ်ဗျာတပည့်တော်ရဲ့စကားလုံးတွေနဲ့ picture တွေနဲ့တွဲဖက်ပြီးတော့လေ့လာမှတ်သားရမှာဖြစ်ပါတယ် so let's start now so A for apple and this is apple and apple is a kind of fruit and B for bicycle. Bicycle is a transportation. And C for camera. Camera is an electronic device. And D for doctor. Doctor is a professional job. And E for elephant. Elephant is an animal. And F for flower. You can see many flowers around you every day. And next slide is G for glue. If something is broken, or if something is apart from each other, you can use glue to stick together. And H for hill. We call Mandalay Hill, Yangon Hill, something that. And I for ice cream. Ice cream is sweet, and mostly every child like it. I do too. And J for juice. So that the juice that you can see is orange juice. And K for king. This is a king from Thailand. And L for lime. Lime is a kind of fruit. It's a bit sour. Or next like this, M for mouse. And N for noodle. Noodle is a food. And mouse is animal. And O for octopus. Octopus is an aquatic animal. You can see underwater. And P for peanut. And Q for queen. And R for rainbow. You can see rainbow after rainy in the sky. Another one is S for sugar. You put sugar in your coffee to get sweet. And T for teacher is like me, teacher Mikey. And U for uniform. So mostly in school, students and teachers wear school uniform. At work, the workers wear the work uniform. This is the same clothing style. And V for vase. You can put flower in it. And W for wave. So when you go to beach, you can see wave. And X for xylophone is a kind of instrument, musical instrument. And Y for year. This year is 2022. And the last one, but not the least, O for zero. Okay, so we have learned a lot, the words and the pictures. Now it is time to go for your listening practice. I'm going to play on the audio listening and you're going to listen and repeat after it and to get more listening and speaking practice.
Unit 1, Introduction. 1.1 Alphabet Dictionary. Listen and repeat.
Apple, bicycle, camera, doctor, elephant, flower, glue, hill, ice cream, juice, king, lime, mouse, noodle, octopus, peanut, queen, rainbow, sugar, teacher, uniform, vase, wave, xylophone, year, zero.
So I suggest you to listen again and again and repeat after it and practice your pronunciation. Thank you so much. ကျေးဇူးအများကြီးတင်ပါတယ်ဘဘုံတို့ဗျာတပည့်တော်တို့ရဲ့ပထမဦးဆုံးသင်ခန်းစာလေးဒီမှာပဲပြီးဆုံးသွားပါပြီဗျာနောက်တစ်ကြိမ်ပြန်လည်ဆုံတွေ့ပြုပါဗျာ